If you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check in game settings. Navigate to the game settings and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Look for the audio settings and confirm that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Verify audio device settings. Make sure your computer's audio settings are configured correctly. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, select Sound, and check that your microphone and speakers are set as default devices. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues. Go to your device manager, find your audio devices, and check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus settings can block voice chats. Ensure that Overwatch 2 is allowed through your firewall and that your antivirus software is not interfering with the game. Step 5. Restart the game and system. If the issue persists, try restarting Overwatch 2. If that doesn't work, restart your computer to refresh all system processes and settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any voice chat issues in Overwatch 2. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.